Alright, so we're gonna go to Marquice's house. We're gonna install these motherfuckers right here. And then some underglow from Lowglow. But yeah, it's gonna be lit. Sheesh. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Ooh. Can't even see you. It's so dark. Bro, we so low. Look at, we done scraped the side. He gonna move back. Oh shoot. We out here. You know the vibes. Alright. Hey bro, your trunk open. Holy snap, bro. Look at my mud flaps. I can't even fit a finger under there without bending it. I'm gonna try this again. Hopefully. We're gonna hit this thing more angled than before. Let's see. You have to keep backing up. Record this, bruh. Alright, so we out here at my boy Marquice's house. Look at this dude. We got the hood popped open and get these 2B speed headlights done. Get that Lowglow. Maybe the bezels, I don't know yet. But we gotta take the front bumper off. All you got, these bolts, some clips, and then if you got like the bottom tray, you got some clips underneath the bumper too. But I don't got the under tray on the car. You can see right through the ground, so I don't gotta worry about that. But yes sir.
What do they use that for?
I don't know. But camera's gonna die soon, so we're just gonna record segments of us doing it so that we can make the battery last longer, bruh. Alright, so we got the front bumper off. Took the bezels out of this. We're gonna try to fit the ones with the LED strips on it. And I gotta fix my license plate because the little mount for it is all fucked. It's just gonzoed, but. So what we gotta do now is take the little brackets off and then the lights. Then we're taking off the old underglow too. Alright, so we got the car up on jack stands. We are disconnecting all the stuff for the underglow. Got one of the LED strips already out. We got the new LEDs, or at least for the fronts, already set up right there. Lowglow, go cop some when they restock because they sold out. But yeah, doing that. Got one of the headlights out. After we do the underglow, we're gonna take this other headlight out, put the CB speed ones in.
There goes that.
Here's it's kind of upside down, but you know, it'll look better on the car. And then I'm not sure if I want to do these because I don't know. I kind of like the look of these ones better. Got the little centerpiece on them, but yeah, that's where we're at so far. Alright, well, update for you guys because you know we got front underglow off already. You already know that. Just took the side one off and then just did the back one. We gotta lift the right side of the car up so we get this last piece. That should be fine right there. We just gotta do the zip ties and maybe like a screw up front.
You hand me those dice?
Yeah. And then we're gonna install the Lowglow. And then after that, we'll start working again on the headlights. Connect the Lowglow over there. And yeah. You already know the vibes. Alright, update. Headlights ain't gonna work. There are two different connections. On the 2020 STIs, it's let's see, get this focus. They're straight up and down. And then on the Subi Speed headlights, they got like a little T in them. So they're not gonna go into that for the headlight. So, rip. Get this focus going. But yeah, RIP those. Where, sheesh, oh my god. Come on, cuz. Okay. But doing one side of the underglow, at least. Got some of it on. I wired everything up for the kit. You see it's all ground, power, all that shit. Tucked it up in there. For the fronts, I got it zip tied down that. Runs down to there, down here, right there. And it's got it underneath the car, right there. Yes, sir. But we'll be back with an update here soon.
Alright, so update. We've got the low glow lights around the rest of the car. They're all on. Alicio did the back as well. Kind of just ran up underneath and attached to the fuel tank. This side as well, and now he's just finishing up the fronts. We gotta run this last wire up and through down here. We gotta kind of bring it up through here and go down to the fender so we can connect it down here. Trying to keep it as flush as possible. And then for the inside, we have the little switch to actually turn the lit lights on, or the low glow lights on, and then it's just wired through there. So, alrighty, we'll bring another update soon. Alright guys, so we just finished installing all the underglow.
Here, let me turn it on.
Yeah, so go ahead, turn on. So it's routed through the fenders, all the wiring is through the fenders, and goes down to the front. This is what they look like. Shout out to FRS Patty for allowing us to get these lights before they sold out within 6 minutes the first day of opening.
We're also finna put
Even in the
banner
daytime.
on.
Even in the daytime, they're still very bright. Now, they came with a banner too, so we're gonna install the banner up there.
Yes, sir.
With Lowglow. So yeah, we'll be back when that's done.